Chef Suleiman is in the area with Chef Monene. We are doing our stuff. MC Kolo is coming right now. MC Kolo, let me ask you one thing. Tuko pamoja. Let us do, we call it easy in our
Fruit juice.
fruit juice. We have to do them. Okay. We have this. You see this? You open it. It's called nitafutie hiyo ingine. Nitafutie ingine. Okay. Wacha tuitoe.